Crazy view.
Check it out.
Yeah. A few, yeah. I'm gonna cook some Grace mackerel in tomato sauce. Fling some okra in it, one tomato, 2 sweet pepper, some thyme, some garlic. I'm not using no onion, so I'm gonna just do some scallion, you know? Yeah, with some turmeric rice. I like the turmeric rice, it tastes nice. So I'm gonna try it again today. Here you go, that's the turmeric rice. We're trying it again, it tastes very nice. Okay? Yeah, that is it. Got to get to it. But these ones, I need that. Not using no onions, just some scallion. Some garlic. When you cook this tin mackerel thing, you have to put garlic inside, you know. You have to burn the garlic a bit first. Get the garlic inside this as well. Slice the pepper down. Take the seeds out. Always save the seeds. But I just sharpen this knife, it's so sharp, yeah? Oh gosh. So be careful of my finger now. This knife is very sharp. One scotchy, fake scotchy. This is not the real scotch bonnet pepper. I don't know where they plant these ones. I'm just gonna put everything inside. Smells nice still. Right, the okra now. Cut off them bits. That's all doing. So that's everything there. So get them in another little pot then now.
So then, why?
Let them season inside the pot first. So now I use no onion today, just some scallion. That is it. Good rice. Good turmeric rice. That's finished now. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the okra and then just cover it up and let it go and steam down a bit. You know the okra gonna take a little while to cook. Just leave them like that, it can get softened a bit. Yeah, we're gonna add the jack mackerel also. Yes. Just leave it like that for now. Yeah. Mackerel. We'll add the mackerel now. Add it to the side there. Something new me I try now. Never tried it before, so my cooking me not really practice stuff first sometimes. I just cook and video. The all of us trying it one time. I never do this before. First I do the mackerel with the okra. Yeah. There you go. The mackerel with okra. That go and cook a little bit. And I put a little bit of ketchup inside. Little bit, just to give it a little sweet. Yeah, that much, not much. Then stir it. Just a little bit of ketchup. I'm not really a big ketchup fan, but you do stuff sometimes the food make it taste a little different. You know, so there's a little bit of ketchup. Cover them down. In 5 minutes, then we finish. Finishing.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?